Yeah, hey, it's Shane from Project Automotive, and today we're installing a iDrive in a Ford Ranger. This is what you get inside the box and pretty much all you need to install. Now, if you look up underneath the dash, you'll find the throttle pedal, and up on top is the plug, and there's a little red stopper there. If you leave that little red stopper up, that's a little lock switch for it. Press on top of the switch and pull up on the plug, and you'll be able to get it out. Install the new iDrive interface inside the switch, and then put the plug back on, the original plug back on top, just like so, and click down the red button when you've locked it in to lock the plug in. Then we come up the top of the car and open up the glove box section, and we can run the wiring up through to the top near the steering wheel. We clean up the dash and we install the switch by pulling off the white backing paper and sticking it on the dash in a nice location. Now you see the wiring harness needs to be plugged in. You need to join in the switch itself into the bottom plug section. Zip tie up the excess cable and tuck it away neatly behind the dash. When you turn on the iDrive, you have an option. You have 00 or 88. You need to select whether you have auto or manual. This one's a manual, so we leave it on 00. And then we go through with economy mode, ultimate mode, auto mode, or off. All the instructions are included in the box, so you can work out what you need to set it at with all the different options. And that's a quick and easy install on a Ford Ranger.